In this video, I will show you how to find your Steam Trade URL. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, as you can see, we're here on Steam. Now, once you're logged in, you want to come up to the top left-hand corner, hover over your name just up here. And then from this menu that comes up, you want to come down and click onto inventory. So as you can see, I've got a few different things here in my inventory. Now, what you're going to want to do from this page, if you look to the right, you've got this blue trade offers button. So if you go ahead, give this a click, and that's going to take you across to a screen like this. Now, from here, you want to look to this menu on the right-hand side and just scroll down slightly until you can see the option which says who can send me trade offers. So if you click onto this, and then from here, all you need to do is simply scroll down the page and you'll be able to find your trade URL just down here at the bottom. So what you can do is click onto it to highlight, right click, and then click onto copy. Then you can go ahead and share this with whoever you want to. Now what you can do is also create a new URL by clicking the button down here. So if you have shared or posted your original URL and you would like to stop receiving trade offers from it, all you need to do is create a new one, and that's going to go ahead and make this old link inactive. So that is how to find your Steam Trade URL. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.